Hey everyone, welcome back to another video. This is sharhondalynette Reads, and today we are going to be doing something very special for me. So today I am going to be giving my Kindle a facelift. I am joined to many book groups on Facebook. I'm on Bookstagram, Book Talk, Book Everything, and I see everyone's wonderful Kindle. It's so nice, well designed. They have all of these stickers, or they have this cardstock on the back that gives it a very nice look. So I decided that I wanted to give my Kindle a makeover as well. So this is my Kindle. It's a big boy. Mostly everyone's Kindle is like the size of their hand, but mine's is like bigger than my face. I have a Kindle HD Fire 10.1, which I think is the 2021 edition, but this is what was on sale during Christmas time, so this is the one I got, even though it is a big boy, and my wrist starts to hurt a little bit when I have to hold it up to read like this, but you know, that's just that. I love my Kindle, so I'm not complaining. But I just have the regular case that you would see at the store, and yeah, it just flips open. It's kind of has some oil on it from when I was doing my hair, and some fingerprints because I just charged it yesterday. But yeah, that is my Kindle. I would like to give it a revamp, so that's what we're going to be doing today. I bought a lot of stickers from Temu and Etsy, some cardstock from Etsy, and I got some Popsockets. I got two since my Kindle's a big girl. I need two, one for each side when I'm holding her, depending on what hand I'm using to read. And then I got a clear case from Amazon. So yeah, let's get right on into it. Okay, so before we get started, I am going to just show you all of the things that I have, such as my cardboard stock that I'm going to put in the case. I'm going to be sticking all the actual stickers to, as well as the case that I got from Amazon and some of the stickers that I got from Temu and Etsy. So first is the case that I got from Amazon. It's just your regular clear case, so you'll be able to see all of the stickers. And if you're wondering, I have a Kindle Fire HD 10.1 edition. I think it's the 2021 edition, but she's a big girl, so I needed a big case. And then this is my cardstock that I got from Etsy from this wonderful seller. She usually doesn't sell this size. She usually sells them for a lot of the smaller Kindle Fires and the Paperwhites, but I asked for this size specifically since I don't have a mini sized Kindle, and she did very well even though she wasn't sure of the sizing, and this fits into my case excellently, and I'll show you that later, but it fits well. And again, this is what we're going to be putting all the stickers on, since I don't want to put all the stickers directly onto my Kindle. Okay, I'm going to put these over to the side for a second, and now we can look at some of the stickers that I got. If they don't have the names on any of the cards or anything in the stack, then I will be putting the names either on the screen or down below. But this one I know for a fact is from Big City Stickers. It is a Gemini sticker because I am a Gemini. I made Gemini at that. Then we have a couple of stickers from Kligg Co. If I can get them open so I can spread them out, since they need to be spread out anyway. Okay, and again, it is from Kligg Co. on Etsy. And here's their website, their Instagram, and their email if you would like to see more of their illustrations. So these are just some melanated stickers that I thought would be amazing. And if you hear any car sounds, it's because my desk is next to the window, so there will be some car sounds. And this one is not focusing, but it's a girl sitting on a mat. Above the earth. Then second to last. And last one, change happens in phases. And all of these are really, really cute. Okay, then we have this sticker, which again, I'll put the store that this came from down below or on the screen, since it didn't come with a card. Next, we have... Next we have from, what is this store called? This store is the Fabled Creative Co. on Etsy. And they ship worldwide. They're a small business. They're 100% recyclable, handmade with love, free shipping, and plastic-free packaging. Oh, and they also have a newsletter that you can subscribe to if you also like their stickers. And yeah, they are run by the owners Indy and Ron. Okay, and so the stickers that I got from them are this, which isn't she beautiful? Holographic, and I love the neck shoulder tattoo. And then we have this little holographic one of this little demon girl, again with some tattoos, and she's holding some fire, and I thought that was nice. Next door, it is MileLongTBRBoutique, which is right here, but I'll put it also on the screen or down below since I have my lights on. But yeah. So this is the sticker that I got from them. And it is a tarot card, the reader, and it's also kind of holographic. And it has a skeleton reading some books on it with some moon phases. Okay, next. Yep, this came with a card. This is from Saguaro Stickers. Here, I'm gonna try and... Yep, this is their Etsy and their apparel shop. Oh, I did. If you are interested. And these are the stickers, which I got from this shop. So I have just a funny skeleton that I thought would be really cool. And then again, I have Gemini, but this time in some shades of green. Okay, and next are some stickers that I got from like a sticker subscription thing when you subscribe to her Patreon. I think I got them like November, December of last year, and I've just been keeping them because I didn't have anywhere to use them. But I think this is from Jiji Knight, and I will put her website and everything down below, So these are the stickers. Again, I haven't looked at them since I got them, so they're just these demon girls. I guess the theme for this month was green. And then I have two more, which I don't know if I'll use the green ones. I'll use the green ones if I decide to use the green Gemini stickers. But this is the one that I would like to use, this purple one. And then there's another green one. This time a demon girl drinking boba. And this one is a demon girl. I don't know if she's inside the boba or she's standing behind the boba cup. But yeah, those are some stickers that I have. And lastly is from NasStickers. NasStickers. She is on Instagram, Pinterest, Twitter, which I guess is now X, Etsy, and Facebook. And let me open this really quick. Okay, and so the stickers that I got from her shop are it's harder than expected. This little knife sticker that says not your babe. And this one that says Dark Romance Book Club. If it would focus. Yeah, Dark Romance Book Club. So yeah. Other than that, let me move these cards and stuff so I can get to the other stickers. So for my other stickers, I just have a load of other stickers from Temu. Lots of different things, mostly like dark, witchy type of stickers, because that's the vibe that I'm going for. But yeah. So again, this is my Kindle. It is a HD Fire 10.1 edition. I think it's 2021. I'm not sure. This is her. This is she. And we are going to be giving her a facelift and getting her out of this super, it's not ugly, it's just not me. So we're going to be getting her out of it. So yeah, that's what we are going to be doing now. Okay, so as I said, we are not going to be putting stickers on the back of my Kindle because obviously commitment issues, and what if I would like to change the stickers out depending on the season or how I'm feeling. So we're going to be putting them on the cardstock that I got from Etsy, which again I will list the Etsy seller below. And before we stick anything on, we're going to lay them out, see where we want our different stickers to go before we start taking off the backends and sticking them down permanently. So yeah, let us get into it. And again, I'm not sure if I'm going to use these green ones because I'm not really feeling green. We're near the end of summer. We're in August now, and I'm not really feeling green that much, but we'll see. So all of my green guys are gonna go away for now, and we'll come back to them when I decide to change the design of the back of my Kindle. Oh, and I forgot that I also have some pop sockets that I again also got on Etsy. This one says books and coffee, and it has like flowers inlaid in the resin. And this one is a shinier resin, and this one is a tarot card, and it says enemies to lovers, love triangle, fatal, what is that, fated mates, reverse harem, one bed, forbidden love, age gap, forced proximity, and the name of this tarot card is, if it focuses, the tropes. So yeah, I will put the shop down below where I got these, but those are, I forgot to show you those. Okay, so we are going to move these around until I get a configuration that I like, and then we'll stick them all on. Okay, so I think that this is going to be the configuration that I go with. So we are going to start sticking them on. So I'm going to just slide them over. And we're going to start with Gemini, of course. I wanted to have a raven right at the top of my Kindle, but that one hasn't come yet, and I don't want to put the video off any longer because I am excited. Okay, and now we'll do this one. And our cute little demon girly. Goodness. Oh, look, the back of her is holographic. Okay. And we are going to put her kind of like this, because we can still make out that that's Gemini. Okay, and next, right in the center, I want our Boba Babe to be in the center. And then we'll overlap it with like this. Just gotta make sure that's how I like it. Not sure bad. Bam. 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 Also, I think this one was a little higher. She's gonna have to overlap. Yeah. Oh, I'm out of frame. Bam, bam, bada boom, bam. Okay. So we will put her on next. I keep going out of frame to take the sticker off of the plastic, which is my bad. Okay. And she is down. Next we are going to put this Dreamcatcher sticker. If it would cooperate, that would be nice. Okay. This will also be nice because these are all really resilient type stickers. I think they're all vinyl and not paper, which is a good thing because they will hold up and I'll be able to reuse this, even though I was going to do that anyway, even if they were paper and faded. I have many a faded phone case and many a faded Popsocket, which I still use because I don't care. As long as it's usable, I'm gonna use it. Okay, and now back to the side, we are going to put the Reader tarot card. I feel like I should put something not a tarot card right here, but I like that one right there. Okay, and now we're gonna put our beauty, holographic beauty, right here. Dark Romance Club. Well, Dark Romance Book Club. These stickers are giving me a run for my money. Okay, then we have two more. I don't know. Maybe we'll put it like this and this. Should I do this? No, this one's too big. I'll just do this instead of the tarot since we already have our tarot here. We'll do it like this. Oh my goodness. Does anyone else have trouble peeling the paper off of stickers? Let me know. No, I haven't had to do this with stickers in a while, but it shouldn't be this difficult. Again, I love the design of this cardstock. However, I just need a lot of color, which I'm probably going to get another one of this cardstock and just have it blank, because I think it was like $5 from the Etsy store, which isn't bad at all. Okay, and there we have our wondrous cardstock ready to go into the case for our Kindle. So I am going to, first of all, put these stickers up on my computer, and we're gonna grab the case. Again, we have a clear case. I don't use my Kindle to take photos, so I'm not gonna cut out a hole for the camera. We're just going to fit it in. Again, perfect seamless match. Now this is what it looks like inside of our case. And we are going to put in our Kindle. Ooh. And now we have a good little Kindle case. But now we have to decide on the pop socket. I think I'll do the pop socket here. I mean, I may have to do 2 pop sockets because this is a big boy. And I don't want it like in the middle. Let me take it out of the paper so we can like see everything better. Okay, so this is what it will look like if my tripod would stay still. And let me take out the other. Oh. Okay. So I'm thinking here and here. So I'll have 2 pop sockets for easy holding. Yeah, I think this is where it will go, because I don't care if it's on the skeleton, because I have another skeleton there, I have one here, one here. And this, the dream catcher, was just an add-in anyway, so I don't really care about that. Yeah, this is where it will go. Okay, so let us stick them on, and then we will get to press it in, let it sit while I take off plastic. And this one will go right here. Okay. And now I am able to turn it on. Let me unlock it. Go to my Kindle, and let's just go to a random book in my library. Let's go to this one, Threads of Fate. Okay, and so now I can hold it really well. I don't feel like my arm is gonna fall off anytime soon. I like the design a lot. It's nice and cute. Matches my aesthetic. Oh, didn't mean to drop it. I feel like this is much better. I can hold it much better because I usually hold my Kindle from the side anyway, like this. So holding it like this or being able to hold it like this is very much a good thing for me. And if you're wondering, this is what I am reading next. It is right at the top because I was taking a picture of it earlier. So yeah. Let's get back to future me. Okay guys, so as you just saw, we just gave my Kindle a facelift and this is what she is. Let me see if I can block out the light. But this is what she is looking like now. It's probably a lot of glare and you can see my camera and stuff from the light. Let me see if I can block the light a little bit. But there's also just my regular room light in front of me. But yeah, this is what she is looking like right now. And I have my 2 pop sockets and I am loving her. So yeah, that's what we are doing today. Just making my Kindle, as you can see. I mean, she's still big, but now she's a little bit more manageable to use for now. Since I have the 2 pop sockets for whichever hand I'm gonna be holding her and reading. So I am loving it. I love the new design and I will make sure that I put all of the sticker shops below. I'm not sure if I'll be able to find the links and stuff for the Temu stickers, but I will try my best to find something similar so I can also put those down below. I think they were packs of 50 stickers for like no more than $2. So if I can't find the exact ones, I'll put something similar down below so that you can also buy those sticker sets if you're into more witchy type tarot and divination stuff. I'll put those down below. And yeah, that's all I had for today. If you like this video, make sure to give this video a like. If you have anything to add about anywhere you got your stickers or what you liked or disliked about my little creation for my Kindle, let me know below. What are some changes that you would make? How is your Kindle decorated? Let me know below, and I will see you in the next video. Bye!